Here at Me Solar, the most important thing for us as a company is how we differentiate ourselves as commercial fit-out contractors. We do this through our quality. For the past 32 years, we've created customized solutions to match our clients' requirements within their budget. From offices, factories, retail outlets, and hotels, our team has been through it all. Our specialties lie in MEP, HVAC, flooring, lighting, gypsum, and woodwork. If you're looking for a commercial fit-out contractor, I guarantee you we're the right company for you. Get in touch now. Me Solar, maintenance, engineering, solar.